Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to show you how to unmount and mount, or how to change your plates. So first thing you need to do is to find the locking mechanism. Usually it is on the bottom of the number. Here in this case I have these blocking buttons. I need to push them down like this. One is down. I have another one here. I need to push it down. And now all you need to do is you need a little screwdriver just to take the number out like this. Okay, and once you manage to put your fingers under the number, just take it down. Okay, now it's down. You take the new number and you do the same operation but in the opposite direction. So you put the number here, you make sure that it stays in place. It's quite difficult with one hand because I'm filming with the other. Okay, it's in place. You push it and then you lock the number again, and this is it. This is how you change your numbers, your number plates. It's very easy. If you don't have these locking bolts here, usually you have a plastic band and you need to take the plastic band out, but it's the same operation. So you take the plastic band out, you change the number, and then you push it back. This is it. I hope it helps. Thanks for watching.